Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best appreciation gift for her. The ANLEMIN Purple Lavender Gift Basket for Women. Whether it's for a birthday, graduation, Christmas, or just to say thank you, this gift basket is designed to deliver warmth, relaxation, and a touch of luxury, making it an unforgettable present for any special woman in your life. The first thing that stands out about this gift set is its beautiful presentation. The basket itself is crafted with a heart-shaped core and decorated with delicate floral patterns outlined in elegant gold lines. The rich purple color scheme adds a sophisticated and calming vibe, perfectly matching the soothing lavender scent that ties all the items together. This attention to detail in packaging instantly makes it feel like a high-end, thoughtful gift. Inside the basket, you'll find a carefully curated selection of self-care essentials. It includes a novelty drinking glass engraved with the uplifting message, "Sometimes you forget you're awesome, so this is your reminder," which adds a personal and encouraging touch. This glass isn't just for show, it's functional and perfect for daily use, making the gift both meaningful and practical. Alongside the glass, the basket features a lavender-scented aromatherapy candle designed to create a serene atmosphere, helping her unwind after a long day. The calming lavender fragrance promotes relaxation and tranquility, perfect for setting a peaceful mood in any room. For a luxurious bath experience, this set also offers a rose-shaped bath bomb, handmade lavender soap, and bath salts. Each item is made with natural ingredients to pamper the skin and soothe the senses. Whether she's enjoying a quick shower or a long soak, these bath essentials invite moments of bliss and self-care. Adding to the charm, the basket comes with a lavender-themed gift card, allowing you to include your own heartfelt message. This small but meaningful detail helps convey your appreciation and love in a personal way. The ANLEMIN Purple Lavender Gift Basket is versatile for many occasions. It's perfect as a birthday gift, a Christmas surprise, a graduation present, or even a teacher or nurse appreciation gift. Its mix of luxury and practicality makes it a standout choice for anyone who values self-care and thoughtful gestures. Overall, this gift basket blends aesthetic beauty with functional relaxation products, offering a well-rounded package that encourages moments of calm and joy. The combination of the novelty drinking glass, soothing candle, indulgent bath products, and elegant packaging makes it an excellent way to express gratitude and care. If you're looking for a gift that shows thoughtfulness, brings comfort, and makes her feel truly special, the ANLEMIN Purple Lavender Gift Basket is a top contender you shouldn't overlook. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.